Hello everyone, let's solve problem 12, longest subarray length where element sum becomes 0. If you see the given input, from index 1 to index 2, the element sum is 0 but the length is 2. Similarly, from index 1 to index 5, the subarray element sum is 0 and the length is 5. We need to return the maximum length, so the expected output is 5. It's a very good technique on hashing with index sum. Let's see how can we solve this. So very simple, we will take up a hash map which represents the sum present at each index. We will take the sum as key and value as the index number. So let's take current sum as 0 and max length also 0. We start from index 0. At index 0 we have 15 added to the current sum. Now current sum is 15. As 15 not present in map, add 15 with index 0. Let's move on to next index. We have value minus 2. Add to the current sum, it becomes 13. As 13 not present in index map, add 13 with index 1. Then at index 2 we have value 2. Add it to current sum. Now current sum is 15. 15 present in map at index 0. It means from index 1 to current index the sum is 0. So calculate the current length which is 2 which is greater than max length. Update the max length equal to. Then move the current index. Now at index 3 we have minus 8. Add to the current sum, it becomes 7 which is not present in map. Add 7 with index 3. Then at index 4 we have 1. Add to the current sum, it becomes 8 which is not present in map. Add 8 with index 4. Then at 5 we have element 7. Add to the current sum, we will get 7, 15. 15 present in map at index 0. It means from index 1 to current index the sum is 0. So calculate the current length which is 5 greater than max length. So update the max length as 5. Then move on to the next index. We have 10. Add to the current sum. We get 25 which is not present in map. Add 25 with index 6. Similarly at index 7 we have 23. Add to the current sum which is 48 which is not present in map. Add 48 with index 7. That's it. So we are done with the solution. So we got the max length as 5. So time complexity here is linear. We are just traversing from 0 to n minus 1 index. And space complexity also be linear, because if there is no subarray with the given sum as 0, then our map size is equivalent to given input size. So the space complexity becomes linear. So before moving on to solution, if you really like the explanation, please click on like button and subscribe. Let's move on to the solution. So I'll just take a map where key is going to be the sum, value is going to be the index number. So I can take it as index sum map. I'll just consider it as new hash map, and we'll have current sum which is going to be 0 and max length which is also be 0, and we start from current index which is from 0 to n. Then we'll just increment the current index. So we add current sum, so which is equal to current sum plus current index value, which is AR of current index. So this is a edge case. In case if your current sum itself is 0, it means till this point you have a subarray. So you can directly update the max length as 1 plus current index, because current index starts from 0. Okay, if current sum itself is 0, so you can directly update max length as 1 plus current index. Otherwise, we will check if the current sum present in the map or not. So contains key as current sum. In this case, so if it is present, we calculate the current length, so which is going to be current index minus current from the index map will get the index. So we will see whichever is max, we'll just update it. So max length becomes whichever is max, whether it is current max length or current length. So whichever is max, which will be updated to max length. So if it is not present in map, it means, so we just need to add to the map. So we'll just write index sum map dot put of current sum as the key and the current index is going to be the value. That's it. So we are done with the solution. Just return max length. So let me compile. Yeah. So you can also find the solution. You can also find the problem statement in the description. Please click on the link, submit your solution. That will boost up your confidence. So hope you enjoy the session. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and share.